Once again, here we go. We are here in Riyadh. We are now celebrating our first New Year here. Riyadh. As you can see, we are now celebrating our first New Year. Tonyo, Philip, Lakay, Noli, and in her back is Elmar. Ito mga handa namin. Meron kaming fruit salad, chicken joy, this fish fillet. Ayan, tsaka siomay. Ayan. Ito ang ating mga kasama, si Lakay, Elmar, si Noli, si Philip, Tonyo, si Diggs. Ito ang mga tropa namin. Ayun, ayan, Happy New Year sa inyo lahat. Okay, Chibuga na. Check this. Ayan, meron pa kaming pahabol na dalawang ice cream. Talaga naman.